In this video, I'm going to show you how to diagnose and replace a faulty leaking ballcock style toilet fill valve with a modern Fluidmaster universal toilet fill valve. Let's get on with it. This toilet had a problem with water constantly leaking into the bowl. Let's get on with the troubleshooting, as the leak can be caused by several faulty parts. With the fill tank open, flush the toilet and let it refill. Right away we can see what is causing the problem. Even though the water has filled the tank, the fill valve was still allowing water to enter the overflow tube and thus enter the bowl. This is an older style fill valve that consists of a fill valve tube and a ball that would rise with the water level, and at a certain height would depress a trigger on the valve, thus stopping the flow of water into the tank. Now, if the fill valve was jostled or the ballcock was raised, the water flow into the tank and the overflow tube would stop. Now, what typically causes a toilet to leak is a worn-out flapper, either due to age or the use of bleach tablets. It could also be caused by not enough slack in the chain that connects the flapper to the flush lever. Neither of those are the case here. If the toilet still leaks after replacing the fill valve, I would also replace the flapper. Now let's replace the fill valve. First step, turn off the water supply. Next, flush the toilet and let out as much water as possible. Then go grab yourself a bucket. Grab some microfiber towels. A sponge or a small regular towel will also do. Finally, grab some gloves, if you want. Use the microfiber towels or sponge to soak up the remaining water and transfer it into the bucket. Since I have the tank drained, I like to take the opportunity to inspect and wipe down the flapper. Now it's time for the new fill valve, the Fluidmaster Model 400A. This type of valve is much better than the ballcock style. It operates much more quietly, it's easier to adjust the water level, and is adjustable in height to accommodate various tank sizes. Fluidmaster really makes it easy with abbreviated instructions on the side of the box, as well as includes a detailed instruction guide on the inside. Opening the box, you have the fill valve, a flexible refill tube, a refill clip, a lock nut, and a quick install guide. Before removing the old fill valve, disconnect the water supply. Put a towel on the ground below the tank connector to catch any water. Next, loosen the lock nut by hand. If needed, use a pair of pliers. Now take out the old fill valve. You may need to wiggle it and use a little bit of force. Next, grab the Fluidmaster fill valve and adjust the height to accommodate your tank by turning the assembly on the fill tube. The height out of the box will most likely suffice for most toilets. Just remember that the top of the fill valve should be about 3 inches higher than the top of the overflow tube. No need to be exact, as this fill height can be adjusted once installed. Prior to the installation of the new valve, I like to give a quick wipe down of the hole where it will be seated. Next, install the new fill valve. Take note of the direction of the valve's port. You want it facing the overflow tube. Also, make sure that the fill valve does not interfere with the operation of the toilet flush lever. While holding the fill valve in the tank with one hand, install the included lock nut from the bottom. You only need to go finger tight. Now attach the supply line. Don't over tighten it, just get it finger tight. Next, attach the refill tube to the refill clip. Attach the other end of the refill tube to the valve. Finally, slide the refill clip onto the overflow tube. You want to make sure that the refill tube is not longer or higher than the tank lid once you put it on. Here it's longer, so I cut it to size and then just simply reattach it. Turn the water back on and you will start to hear and see the water refill the tank. And wait for it. Success! Once the water reaches fill level, the fill valve stops the water from flowing into the bowl via the overflow tube. A nice feature of this valve is that you can adjust the height of the fill water level easily and without the need for any tools. Check the bowl for any leaking, and lastly, check the supply line for any leaks. If you find none, reward yourself with an adult beverage of choice and revel in a job well done. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know your comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.